Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set a photo as a wallpaper on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. If you have taken a picture that you want to set as a wallpaper, then what you need to do is, for instance, open the gallery. I'm gonna use gallery for that. Of course, you can use pretty much every other media storage viewer or something like that in order to be able to find the photo and set it as a wallpaper. In this case, I'm gonna use the gallery. So I'm switched to albums in order to quickly find my photo, and I have mine over here from the camera. Let's open it. Now, in order to set this photo as a wallpaper, what I need to do is tap on these three dots over here at the bottom, and then we have the option to set as wallpaper. After that, of course, you can adjust the position of the photo if you want to, and you can also zoom in and zoom out if needed. And after that, once we are done with the adjustments, we can press apply. Then we can choose to set this photo as a lock screen or home screen wallpaper, or both. I'm gonna set it as home screen only. And there we go, home screen wallpaper applied. So now if I go back to the home screen, you will see that I have my new wallpaper. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.